Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram download problem on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down, we will click here on apps, then we will come here to this is window, we will just go down here to looking for Telegram app in this is window and we will go to find Telegram app here, then we will just click here on Telegram, we will find it and we will go to our next window here, we will click here on force stop, then we will click here on OK and we will click here on storage, then we come to a storage window, we will click here on clear cache and we will click here on manage storage and you will just click here on clear cache and you just go to your Play Store and update your Telegram app and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.